What's up, people? Welcome back to the channel. After a very long time we are connecting again. I'm on top of my terrace right now, and I bought some new gadget for my new ride for Wayanad, and I wanted to test it and see how it is. Now you can see the reason why I'm on terrace is because it's pretty bright here. You can see the sunlight. It's very sharp sunlight what we have, and I really wanted to test this particular product to see if it really is worth the money for actually going and utilizing it during heavy sun like this. So without any further ado, guys, let's get into the video on the count of 3, 2, 1. This particular product is going to be really helpful for most of the motovloggers, guys. Specifically those who ride a lot, who tours a lot. So I got something from Telesin. This is the GoPro's filters. What is there? So they call it as the ND filter. So we have different variation of ND filter. Let me quickly show you what all is available. First of all, this costed me around, like, this Telesin brand costed me around, like, should be around 2,500 rupees. It's a very simple box, no major packing, not a great quality of box, but still we get it for 2,500. I think it is kind of worth it. But you tell me whether it's going to be worth it once you see the complete video until the end. And if you want one, you can also go ahead and purchase for yourself. So this is the small box what you get. Again, I was not really bothered about the box because I was more worried about the product inside the box. So when you go and quickly unbox this, you will get these 4 lenses. So you will get 4 different lenses. One is the ND16, ND32, ND8 and CPL. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to install each one of it, and I'm going to show you on a scorching sun like this how actually the footage comes out. That's what we are going to see. So we'll start with the base, which is the ND8. So right now I'm going to place the camera on my side. This is the ND8 filter. All I have to do is just go ahead and insert this here and press it with GoPro, and yeah, do you see any difference? I'll do it again. I'll go ahead and remove the lens and show you the brightness, color. And so this is the brightness without the lens, which is ND8. Now this is the brightness and color after the ND8 lens. So do let me know in the comment section if it did make a difference, because I am not really able to see. Only when I see the footage I'll be able to identify the difference. So the next filter which we will move into directly is the ND16 filter. So we'll go ahead and place this back here. We have the 16. The packing inside is really nice, so that is something I really am happy about. So this is the ND16 filter. Do tell me the difference what you get. So right now this is the ND16, guys, and I need you to analyze if my face is clear, if it's too dark, if it's kind of okay. So you need to let me know in the comment section. So this is the ND16, which actually makes the sun a little more darker, which hits in the face, so that there's no much reflections coming. So that's what this is used for. Next we will go to the ND32 filter. This is the ND32, and I'm going to, so that's me, and this is ND32. So what happened, I really don't know. So I think the brightness has reduced drastically is what I feel. That's what I feel actually seeing with these goggles on. So when I remove this, you can see the brightness changes automatically. The brightness increases, and now when I install this, the brightness reduces. So that's the advantage of an ND filter 32. And the last filter what we have is called the CPL filter. I really don't know what the CPL means, but let me just gather some information, put it down in the screen for you. What is CP? So this is the CPL filter. So I think the purpose of this is the color difference. I could see my color changing. So if you see here, there's a difference in color, and the moment I put this on, it shows a bit different. So I don't really know whether this is going to be really useful for me, because I need to see the footage. Without seeing the footage, I will not be able to comment. But in case if I feel really well, make sure think that this video will be uploaded then. If there's no video coming up, then I was not really happy with the product. That's what it is. And I will test this on the road during my Wayanad ride and see how the output comes, whether it really comes as cinematic shots, as they say that ND filter will perform as in. So let's give it a try. So if you're new to my channel, you know what to do. Like, share, subscribe and hit the bell button. And without fail. Keep supporting me always, guys, because we have crossed 5k subscribers, and I'm really happy for the fact I have a 5k family now. So thank you so much for all the love and support. All have a good day. Take care. Bye bye. Sayonara.